This is Hiker Dude Dad, and I am at Nacho Daddy on the Strip in Las Vegas. And right now, I am your daddy because I am going to be doing a shot of tequila with a baby scorpion in it. Here's my shot. Has a very good tequila in it. And there is our scorpion. Stinger is on, although I'd imagine since it's a baby, it's non-venomous, I'm hoping. Or else alcohol kills venom. B-Dog, what do you think?
I think you'd pull off the stinger, but...
Nah. Taco, thoughts on this?
Who let you order this?
I just kind of did it on a whim. Dr. Mom, any thoughts?
What do you do?
Medical advice?
None.
You have a fishbowl of a margarita, I think. Alright, I think we'll be fine. Alright, here we go. Baby scorpion shot. I guess I'm gonna chew it.
Ew, stop. Do you want a little margarita to wash it down with?
A little bit of water. It was good. It just felt like eating any other bug. I got stung. Woo!